Welcome to Launch Jacking Secrets. Launch Jacking is a dynamic and lucrative strategy employed by affiliate marketers to capitalize on product launches and garner profits swiftly. For beginners eager to dive into the world of launch jacking, understanding the secrets behind this method is crucial for success. This presentation aims to shed light on the essential launch jacking secrets that can empower newcomers to make the most of this strategy. So first, timeliness is key. Successful launch jacking relies heavily on being timely and up to date. You must stay informed about upcoming product launches within their niche to capitalize on the initial wave of interest and potential buyers. You can use tools like product launch calendars, industry newsletters, or social media to stay ahead of the game. Then comes in-depth product research. Well, researching the product you plan to promote is a fundamental step. Understand the product's features, benefits, and target audience. A well-informed approach allows you to create compelling content that resonates with potential buyers and positions you as an authority in the niche. Now, time to quality content creation. Creating high quality and engaging content is paramount. Leverage various content formats such as blog posts, videos, and social media updates to effectively convey the value of the product. Incorporate also SEO techniques to optimize your content for search engines and increase your visibility. You want to build a responsive audience. Cultivating a responsive audience is crucial for launch jacking success. Utilize social media platforms, email marketing, and other channels to build a targeted audience interested in your niche. Engage with your audience on a regular basis to establish trust and credibility, making them more likely to follow your recommendations. 5. Strategic affiliate link placement. The placement of affiliate links plays a significant role in conversion rates. Integrate your affiliate links seamlessly into your content, ensuring they are visible and compelling. Avoid being overly promotional. Instead, focus on providing value and addressing the needs of your audience. Utilize bonus incentives. Offering exclusive bonuses can set you apart from other affiliates and incentivize potential buyers to make a purchase through your affiliate link. Create bonuses that complement the product, providing additional value and enhancing the overall offer. Optimize for conversions. Constantly analyze and optimize your campaigns for better conversions. Track the performance of your affiliate links, monitor user engagement, and make data-driven adjustments to maximize your earning potential. In conclusion, mastering launch jacking as a newbie requires a combination of timeliness, research, content creation, audience building, strategic link placement, and continuous optimization. By following these launch jacking secrets, you can position yourself to success in the competitive world of affiliate marketing and capitalize on the momentum generated by product launches within your niche.